Samsung Galaxy A53 has launched yesterday. It brings a few updates. Along with that, it also brings a few downgrades as well. So in this video, we will be comparing the Galaxy A53 with the last year Galaxy A52s and see whether this new device will be capable to upgrade from the last year model or not. So starting from the display of both the devices, the Samsung Galaxy A53 will be coming with a 6.5 inch of Super AMOLED Infinity O display with 120Hz of refresh rate, whereas the Galaxy A52s 5G also coming with similar spec sheet like 6.5 inch of Super AMOLED display with 120Hz of refresh rate, and it's also coming with a 32 megapixel of a selfie camera. Same selfie camera is going to be seen in the A53 as well. Both will have Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front, both have IP67 dust and water resistance, and both have in-display fingerprint scanner support. So in terms of design, the Galaxy A53 and A52s are exactly same. There is no difference here. No camera difference, no in-display fingerprint scanner difference, and even the brightness, the 800 nits is going to be seen in both of these devices, so nothing is different here. Moving on towards the back side, we have same square camera bump on the back side, and the quad camera setup is present on both the devices, and both the devices are coming with a 64 megapixel of a main sensor, which also supports the optical image stabilization in both the devices. Both are coming with 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera, both are coming with a 5 megapixel of macro shooter and 5 megapixel of depth sensor. So in terms of camera department, they are exactly same, just like the display. There is no difference here, so you will get the same performance in both the devices, so nothing is changed here. But guys, moving towards the internals of both the devices, here we have found a few differences in both of these devices. While talking about the processor, the Galaxy A53 will be coming with a new Exynos 1280 processor, which is based on 5nm architecture. It will have a 374K of Antutu benchmark score, and the decent performance can be seen in terms of its gaming as well as the overall general performance. As far as the Galaxy A52s 5G processor is concerned, it's going to be coming with a Snapdragon 778G, which is coming with 420K of a benchmark score, which is even higher than the Exynos 1280. So in terms of processing power, the Galaxy A52s is way ahead from the Galaxy A53, which is the latest model. And as far as the battery capacity is concerned, the 4500 milliamp of a battery cell will be present in the A52s 5G, whereas the Galaxy A53 will be bringing up to 5000 milliamp of a battery capacity. So this means a 500 mAh battery has been increased in the A53, which will give you a little bit more juice when you use the device. And as far as the charging speed is concerned, both are coming with 25 watt of a charging support. Unfortunately, there is no charging brick will be included in the box for the Galaxy A53 5G. Samsung has removed that facility from this year model. And one of the benefits you will get for the A52s 5G that it will be bringing the 25 watt or 15 watt of a charging brick inside the box. So definitely this is a great option to have if you really wanted to have a charger inside the box. Unfortunately, there is no headphone jack support for the Galaxy A53 5G, which is definitely going to be a bummer for most of the Samsung fans. But if you look at the A52s 5G, it will be bringing you the 3.5mm headphone jack. So this is another plus point for A52s 5G. As far as the storage option is concerned, both are coming with 6, 128 and 8 256 GB of internal storage, whereas the A52s has another variant 4GB and 128 GB of internal storage option. So the option for micro SD card is available in both of these devices. So guys, overall I think that both the devices are coming with same specification inside, and if you really wanted to have a device which is going to be having a headphone jack support alongside with a charger in the box and even a better processor, then I will definitely recommend you should buy the Galaxy A52s 5G rather than the A53 5G. It's not only cheaper but also give you better value as compared to the latest A53. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Be sure to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.